Welcome to HelloSend. In this demo, we'll walk you through how to send automated SMS and WhatsApp messages in Zendesk using HelloSend Webhooks. Step 1. Create a webhook in HelloSend. Log in to HelloSend. From the sidebar in Zendesk, click the HelloSend logo. From the left menu in HelloSend, navigate to Messaging, Automation, Webhook. Click Create Webhook to start. Give your campaign a clear name so you can identify it later. Now, choose your From number. This could be your SMS number or WhatsApp number. Next, select the Zendesk module where your contacts are stored, such as tickets, customers, or organizations. Then, pick the phone field that defines which number the messages will be sent to. Step 2. Build your campaign flow. Add your first step. Send a welcome message immediately. Choose a message template for this step. Add a second step, for example, a follow-up message to be sent after 1 day. At each step, you can enable the option to stop the sequence if the customer replies, preventing unnecessary follow-ups. Once done, click Save. Your campaign will now appear in the automation table. Step 3. Connect Webhook in Zendesk. Copy the webhook URL from HelloSend. Go to Settings arrow Apps and Integrations arrow Webhooks. Click Create Webhook, then select the events you want to trigger, such as ticket created, updated, or comment added, and apply any required conditions before clicking Next. Give it a name and paste the HelloSend webhook URL into the endpoint URL field. Click Create Webhook and your webhook is live. Step 4. Track and monitor. Back in HelloSend. Here, you can view the automation you created, check message delivery status, customer responses, and overall performance reports. And that's it. With HelloSend, you can seamlessly automate SMS and WhatsApp communication in Zendesk, saving time, improving response rates, and keeping your support workflows simple. Thanks for using HelloSend.